What's going on, Mr. Tack Pans? This is what's going on. Do you see this? Number one is this. We start here, we go to here, we go all the way around, we come to here, the video goes down here. We come from here, we go up here, we go down here, we come down here. We create the letter N. O, N. See the N? Up here, down here, up here is the N. Then we go up here, down here, up here is the N. O and O, okay, all become the E. You see the E in the 3 says 1. When you're creating this design over here, 5772, because that's when the cycle actually ended, okay, obviously it had to end when it shows 1 and 1 inside the 1 here. This 1 will also show a number 7 inside of it, but not right now because I'm not into that. But you see the number 5? Well, this is the number 5. Don't count this. If all lines were thick, this is on a 2 level. This is on a 3 level. What I did to this one, this is number 5, but inside 5, because it's thicker over here, you see this. And when you see this, you see 6 on the top and 9 on the bottom, when in all actuality, it's just the passage between the bottom and the top, 1, 4, and 7 inside of here. This is how it would link, okay? Over here, what I did is I took 1 to 100, and I moved out the first row, 4, 14, and 24. I moved out the last row, 74, 84, 94. I moved out the first rows, which are 1, 2, and 3. I moved out the last rows, which is 58, 59, and 60. So I moved out 3, 3, 3, and 3. You cannot count the corners. You cannot count 1 because it gets boxed in. You cannot count 10. You cannot count 100. You cannot count this one. Okay? They all get boxed in. So 1 and 10 makes 11. Plus 91 makes 102. Plus 100 makes 202. Okay? You need 4 of these for 808. When you do this and pull out the center, 4, 8, 12, 16, okay, you end up 34 to 37. That's a total of 71. You get 34 and 67 is 101. You get 64 and 37, and that's 101. And these are the block of letters you use. I picked out these because these over here, they were just a 44, 55, 66, and 37. They all change, okay, because they're doubles. Which ones are the prime? Because this is the block we're actually working with, okay? Here I put some S's together. See what that C and C does? It links here to here and here to here with your S and S and S and S. 19 and 19, 19 and 19. 38 and 38 is 76, and 24, 100 is what this creates. Is there anything else inside here? Just something I've already done before. 1 and 2 makes 3. 3 is the only one you count. Don't count 1 and 2. 6, 7, and 8. 8 is the only thing you need for 6, 7, 8. So you get 8 and 3, which is 11. 4 is inside of all these numbers, so you don't need it. And 1, okay, is inside of 3, so you don't need that one. But 3 is in no cards. 3 is in no cards, and 2. 3 and 2 are in absolutely no cards. There is not any cards besides 2 and 3 that play anywhere else. 1 plays it with 2, creating 3, but the 3 card doesn't play anywhere. And the special thing is the 6, 7, 8, okay, is also a special card if I can find some of these cards. One of my friends got me all these to work on. I got lots of work. Okay, so let me just take out one of these cards. And all we're looking at is for 6, 7, and 8, okay? And I'm not looking for anything else. See, in the 6, 7, and 8, what we're going to look for is these two, okay? In the 6 and in the 7, you have them, okay? You have those two. The special thing about the 6 and the 7 is you have 4 going up and 2 going down. In the 7 card, it's the same thing. You see this in the 7 card? It's a 5 area and a 2 area that makes 7. In 6, it's a 3 area and a 3 area that makes 6. Okay, actually, it's 4 and 2 that make the 6. But it's 3 and 3 on 2 sides because there's more than one ways to calculate that. Then there's the 9, in which everybody knows the the 1, the 4, the 5 are all inside the 9. So take away 1, 4, and 5, that's 10. The total of cards at the beginning from 1 to 9 equals 45 minus 10. And okay, that's 35. That's electric company. Now minus 1, 2, and no, just minus 2 and minus the 3 card, the 2 card, because the 2 card plays nowhere, but the 1 card plays everywhere. So you have to take away really the 2 card. You can't take away the 3 card, but the 1 is in it, but take away the 3 card anyways. So take away that, you would be taking away 5. But take away 1, 2, 3, you'd be taking away 6. 35 would be 29. And that's exactly what you're playing with. You're not playing with anything else. Take away the 6 and 7 card is 13 because it's inside the 8. 29 becomes 16, and that's all you're playing with. And I had 16 numbers right there, right? Should I keep on going? Raphael. 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. I just like to say, Messer, that was a mighty fine write you had there. I think you spent like a half an hour on that, and the video was only 3 minutes long, and it took me about 25 minutes to write you out that little message back. That was mighty fine there. Is there anything I'd be working on? Yeah, I've been working on everything. Raphael 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus. I just feel like I'm going to become like the food I eat. Thank you for watching this video.